Did you know 95% of purchases will be online by 2040? But most entrepreneurs choose the wrong e-commerce model. Today, I'm breaking down 6 types of e-commerce that make money, and you'll know which one's perfect for your business. What's up, entrepreneurs? Starting an online business or struggling to scale? I'm revealing 6 e-commerce business models with real examples making millions. But first, smash subscribe and ring the bell for weekly e-commerce strategies. Type 1. Business to consumer. Business to consumer means selling directly to individuals. Think Amazon or Nike. Amazon masters selling everything to everyone with their massive marketplace. Nike sells premium sportswear directly to consumers through their sleek online store. Pros: huge market potential and direct customer relationships. Cons: intense competition and higher marketing costs. Type 2. Business to business. This is where real money is. Companies sell to other companies in bulk quantities. Alibaba connects manufacturers with businesses worldwide. Grainger supplies industrial equipment to companies. Why B2B rocks? Fewer customers but way higher order values. One B2B customer equals 100 B2C customers. Average B2B deal: 1,000, 10,000 versus $5,100 for B2C. Type 3. Consumer to consumer. Regular people selling to other people. eBay pioneered this model, now Facebook Marketplace and others dominate. Low barriers to entry. Literally clean your closet and start making money today. Some entrepreneurs build 6-figure businesses flipping eBay items. Choose the right platform. eBay for auctions, Facebook for local sales, Etsy for handmade goods. Type 4. Consumer to business. Individuals sell products or services to businesses. Think Shutterstock, where photographers sell images to companies, or freelance platforms where designers sell skills. C2B is exploding. The gig economy is worth over $400 billion. Businesses are hungry for specialized skills and unique products from individuals. Type 5. Direct to consumer. The game changer. Brands like Warby Parker and Casper cut out middlemen and sell directly to customers. Before D2C, brand, wholesaler, retailer, customer. After D2C, brand, customer. This means better prices for customers and higher profits for brands. D2C brands have 3x higher profit margins and build stronger customer relationships. Type 6. Business to government companies sell to government agencies. Massive overlooked market. U.S. government spends over $600 billion annually on contracts. Salesforce and Microsoft have entire divisions for government sales. Pros: huge contracts and stable long-term relationships. Cons: long sales cycles and complex approval processes. Which should you choose? Here's my framework. First, identify your target audience, businesses or consumers, local or global. Second, evaluate your product, physical or digital, high value or low value. Third, assess your resources, time, money, and expertise available. Limited resources but great product idea? Try D2C. Industry expertise? Consider B2B. Just starting out? C2C might be your best bet. There you have it. 6 types of e-commerce that transform businesses. The key is picking the right model for your situation and going all in. Which e-commerce model excites you most? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, smash like and subscribe for more e-commerce strategies every week. Check our complete startup guide in the description. See you next video where we break down exact steps to launch your first online store. Keep hustling.